In the wild, sound is a weapon. But among these four predators, which one is the most terrifying? Number 1, the lion. The king of the jungle has a roar that can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Number 2, the tiger, the shadowy hunter with a deep, echoing roar powerful enough to make its enemies tremble. Number 3, the grizzly bear. Its fierce growl signals dominance and warns of impending danger. The last one, the wolf, their howls are more than just sounds. They are hunting calls that make the forest even more haunting.